Hey guys, so I know this is a long video. Ooh, I need a haircut. I know this is going to be a long video. I'm aware of that. I may just... I'll figure it out. I may take some stuff in time-lapse even though I don't want it time-lapse. Or I may keep it long. I don't know. I am going to start doing a little different on my upload process. I'll try to keep to 3 a week. That's just going to be my goal. Some weeks it may only be 1 or 2. So y'all bear with me. Anyways, guys, let me show you what all I've done and what my dad did. What is up, guys? I'm in the shop. I'm working. Let me turn y'all around real quick. Ooh, I just farted. It stinks. Anyways, guys, y'all see, I've been out here trying to get this exhaust off for about 30 minutes. I decided to grab my camera. I was on the phone. Whew, that fart stinks. Here's the old, it's starting to rust. Y'all can see all the rust, but y'all remember from that one part when it wasn't rusty, so it's starting to rust now. We're just going to slap some WD-40 on it and clear coat it and go. I'm going to get y'all set up on a tripod and we're going to start disassembling this head today. I figured out that it does not come apart easily, so adult pocket knife may or may not be used today. Anyways, guys, I'm going to get y'all set up on a tripod. Alright, guys, I know y'all can't, I know if I had the action camera y'all could see a little better, but I don't. So I was just going to have to, hold on, let me extend y'all up some. There, y'all can see the head. Y'all can't see my tools, but we're going to take this bolt off. I'm going to make sure y'all can see this bolt. Yeah, we're going to take this bolt off. I grabbed a bunch of tools because I just, it's 11. That's what it should be, guys. Oh, it's 12. Okay, so that's a quarter, so we're going to slap this on. Then we're going to slap this on it. Then we're going to slap this on it. Guys, y'all going to have to bear with me. I'm out here by myself. My dad's still asleep. He was up till 2 o'clock last night. Alright, y'all hear all that popping? That's our cams. So, let's take the cams off, guys. That should be a small socket size. Should be this one. Yeah, that'll bust. We're going to pop the drill on them real quick. I don't have an impact driver yet. I'm working on getting one. It's going to cost me $100. I'm ordering on Amazon. I don't know about that. I would rather have a DeWalt 20 volt one, but as I've already said, guys, to get a DeWalt 20 volt one, guys, that's going to cost me almost $150. So if y'all want to support the channel and help me afford better tools, be my guest. Alright, so that size is too big. Do I have a smaller socket size, guys? Do I have smaller than 10 mil out here? Just want to bring an 8 millimeter out here, guys. Alright, bring my hammer. Just want to bring an 8 millimeter. I could have sworn, guys. I don't know. Let's just take the rest of these off. Alright, guys. I'm going to go grab an 8 millimeter because apparently I don't have one. I'll be back when I have. I know I said I would be. I know. I said I'd be back when I grab 8 millimeter. We're going to go ahead and take this one off real quick while we get out here. Just plop that one off. Now I'm going to go grab an 8 millimeter. Alright. So you're going to need an 8 millimeter to take this bolt right here off, guys. I don't know where the heck my short socket 8 millimeter is. So I got the next best thing. Long socket. You know what? It's what I got. So we're just gonna stick this on right, guys. Y'all don't do what I just did. So we're just going to take this little screw out. We're gonna plop it right there. Should be a washer. Don't want to lose that. And then theoretically, boom, we just pulled that out, guys. So now that that's out, that's good. That was our choke. We needed that out. What the heck is this? Is this another socket? Let's not find out. Let me clean this off real quick. That way I can see what the heck this is. Alright, that's just that ain't no other socket. That can't be another socket. Hold on. No, that's too round. Alright, guys, so I can't get this exhaust off or anything. I've tried, guys. I just can't. So I wonder if y'all still can see everything. Yeah, y'all can. Alright, so we're gonna take this off now. I believe that was this one. Oh, is it this one? That one's a little too loose. Which one was it? This one? Oh, crap. Oh, it's this one. Alright. Okay, so that ain't gonna work, guys. Alright, so it's still snapping. I quite don't know how to stop it from snapping. If I'm honest with y'all guys. So we're going to drop a socket. I don't know how to stop it from snapping, so we're going to plop this adaptation on here. Pull this off. Oh, well, I don't need adaptation. Sweet. That hurts, guys. Please tell me one of these are opened. Hell nah. Alright guys, I may be stupid and I don't know how the heck take this header apart. But now it shouldn't move it. How the heck is it still moving this, guys? Okay, so this got to come out. Do I have the right? Is it this one? Yeah, but that's up in there. Ooh, I can't reach that. Oh, let me grab a screwdriver. Alright, so you're going to want a Phillips screwdriver to take that thing out. Now, let's see, is this one going to work? Oh, yeah, it's stripping, so that's a bonus. Stripping out, guys. I don't want to quite hold this because, you know, that's dangerous as hell. I'm going to try this. This is going to be dangerous. I already know, guys. Do not try this at home. This part. Yeah, it's snapping it. I'm just using a handy dandy Black & Decker 18 volt drill. I guess, I don't know, let's continue trying to get this exhaust off. It ain't coming off. I'm gonna grab the other part of the header, guys, and we'll work on it. Alright, so here's the other part of the header. Nothing much to do. It does need a new cylinder sleeve. Turn this light on so y'all can see it. And this is where I'm at, guys. Ooh, yeah, I like that. It's just that screw I was trying to take out right there. Did not want to come out. I was trying to take that out. For some reason, don't want to come out. So that's going to the side. This is what we're on. We're going to, you see, ain't not much to do on this one. Ain't not much to take apart. I'm not sure if you're able to take these apart. I mean, I took that much out. Guess let's drop this in and let's get on taking this apart. Woo! Alright, guys, so got y'all a good view of this. Let's do this real quick. That's obviously not working. I don't know how to take this apart, guys. I am defeated. Maybe there's something I'm missing. I don't know. Maybe there's something I'm missing, guys. Y'all comment below. Golly, those are in there tight. Alright, so let's... Maybe I put these in super tight. This is not no normal. On a lawnmower, I can get it apart because I've taken it apart on a lawnmower before. This, not so much. So we're just going to tighten this down, see if it breaks it loose. We're just going to be attempting to take this apart. That's all I'll title this video. Project Glue Part 15. Attempting to take the header apart. What goes wrong? A heck of a lot, guys. Okay. The only reason I'm in here not in church service is because we ain't going to church and I could be listening to it online. But my dad's not up. He's still asleep. He's out. Really cold right now, so. Dang, guys. Y'all see it? Wow. That just kicked it that hard, guys. Wow. That just stripped it. Wow, guys. I don't know if y'all can see this. That just stripped that. Wow. Alright, so let's just, crank this down some more, buddy. And let's take this out, because it's obviously not needed. I do not know how to take this apart. If it wasn't so early in the morning, if I was doing this really late, like at 1 o'clock, I would go live and, be like, hey, and y'all know how to take this apart. Obviously not. So I'm not sure if these... Guys, I'm in pants too, and it's Texas heat. It's getting hot in here, so I need to turn on some fans. One of these fans is this. I need to wash clothes. That's what I need to do, is wash some clothes. Does this bearing come out? You know what? These need to come out, because then I can get this bearing out. But y'all see this? It's just stripping, guys. I can't get this apart. Well, today was a total fail. I really was thinking I could get this apart today. I don't know, guys. Can't even get the exhaust off, to be honest with y'all. So we're just going to cut this off with the child pocket knife. You know what? I'm be back. I'm gonna go grab the adult pocket knife, guys. Alright, so we're back. Got it. I'm gonna move y'all back out the way and lift y'all back up. I'm gonna lift y'all a little bit. There, y'all should be able to see it now. Alright, I'm gonna cut this exhaust off, guys. It's coming off today. I said exhaust is coming off today, didn't I? Woo! Exhaust is off. Cut the exhaust pipe. We no longer have an exhaust pipe. Woo! It's off. We're gonna pull a Weston expertly cataloged that across the shop. For all y'all who follow Weston channel on YouTube, y'all know where that thing came from. So now I can work on this a little bit better when the time comes, guys. I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna get y'all up. Alright, guys, so today was a complete fail. I came out here with the ejector to get this header off and get the exhaust fully off. I succeeded in one halfway. I had to get the adult pocket knife out. But anyways, guys, today was a complete fail. I thought I could take this header apart and it gave me a big fat L. I had to hold the L. I wish I had the big box L, TK. I had to hold the L today. I don't know. I'm fixing to leave these tools here, come back later after a little bit, and put them up because I'm getting hot and I'm in pants, as y'all can obviously tell, in this Texas heat. So, I want to go ahead and thank y'all for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget, if you want to donate to the channel, there's going to be a link in the description below. PayPal link, you can click that link, you can donate to the channel, and maybe it can help us afford better tools. That's how you can help support the channel, besides watching and subscribing, and also liking and sharing. That helps a lot. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to go check out the merch, guys. Until next time, guys, adios, amigos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Adios, amigos. The redneck guy, get out. Yay, yay. And we're just going to leave y'all at a glance of this. Now, it's done. I figured out how to get them out my deck. Thanks to awesome help from him. He gave me a plan. He said, take this screw out, since this is the only screw that comes out. Take this screw out and swing it. See y'all then. We're going to get that thing out too. We need to get it in here. He's going to try to break this other screw loose, guys. I've tried and I tried and I just keep stripping it. But I did get this one screw out. This one over here wants to strip too, guys. Theoretically, after this is out, I should be able to break this free. That's the plan. But y'all already seen, this plan has not gone as planned today, has it, Dad? That's my hammer. Yeah, you bring it out here, dude. You bring it out here. Because you broke mine. There it goes. Now it stopped stripping.
Did you learn the trick?
Yeah. At least it stopped stripping because it kept stripping for me. It's hot out here, so let's take this off. And theoretically, that should just pull out. Got a nut on it now. I can't get that nut off, remember, it just makes it pop. Alright, now we gotta take that one out. And this will let your pins fall out. Don't lose my stuff. It's right there. Alright, I don't have replacements. It's hot. A little warm out here. Then again, I work and stuff, so I'm not. Alright, there comes a point in time when this film's going to have to stop. Guys, what's up? I'm exhausted. You see I got the Arizona T. I've been out here I've been busting my ass trying to get this cam apart, guys. My dad's cutting the frame, and I'm working on the camshaft. I'm tired. Alright, so actually, I don't know if I cut back and something that I got it. If I didn't cut back, and y'all see it in the next part, which will be all about the frame getting cut, which I'll show y'all that, which will also have us getting aftermarket parts. So yeah, I'll see y'all whenever the next clip is, or the next part to this series. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey, hello, how are y'all? We back, same day as before. I'm in different clothes. We're going to tilt y'all up some real quick. Hold on, let me figure out how to maneuver my darn tripod. That thanks to my dad. I'm now going to cut this off. Same day as before, guys. Y'all see me? Yo, there's no way y'all can see all the way over here. Wow. So we're going to cut this off same day as before. How high can y'all see? Alright, y'all can see it this. So we're going to cut this off same day as before in the last clip, but I want to cut this exact whole flange off. Yeah, so let's get after it. I'll be back. I did go get the corded adult pocket knife. Alright, I got the corded adult pocket knife. I gotta get this blade changed. I'll cut back when I'm ready. Alright, so I got the blades plugged, plus I'm plugged in. A lot more powerful. Let's move some. Oh, crud. Let me not knock y'all out the darn way. I'm gonna move these tools out the way. Oh, boy. I moved this closer. Let's get cutting. Can y'all see it? Yeah. Wow, guys. Y'all see how powerful this is? So, I want to show y'all what just happened. That plane obviously just went to crud, guys. So obviously, wow. Hot, 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 hot. Whew. Wow, guys. It bent my blade. And it was shaking my arms pretty good. I'm not sure how good that came out on film, but woo. So this plan went to crud, guys. That plan went to, oh my gosh. Y'all go check out T-Rose. For real. Y'all go check her out. Anyways, guys, thank y'all for watching. Now, it's the end of the video. Off camera, but I got the camshaft out. I did get that screw out. I did everything off camera. We're going to be cutting the frame today off camera for y'all. But camshaft's out. It's a little bad. I mean, the camshaft's okay. The camshaft we're going to keep where the piston was. And y'all gonna hate me for this, but it's gonna get rusty. Possibly. I'll be taking the piston inside probably. I don't know. And clear coating them. I'll have to look up how to get them not rusty. Camshaft's out. Now I can work on getting the rest of this stuff out. So yeah, I'll cut back whenever I'm back at it. And this may end up being a little longer of a video. This is what I've done today. I've gotten valves out, camshaft out, spark plug out, all that out. Whipped help my dad, as y'all saw. Only thing left for me to take out, which I'll do tomorrow, is these springs. If y'all look over here, our engine's mocked up. We have it mocked up. It's clearing now. We're cleared. We got everything mocked up how we want it, guys. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Y'all tell right there, it's mocked up. It's kind of how we like it. I think we're going to keep it like this. We're going to get the pipes and weld everything up in the next part for y'all. We cut the frame today as well, guys. Y'all can tell. And it's already flexed some. We could have got it in without cutting the frame. We just realized that, but it's okay. Y'all won't see us cutting the frame. Y'all won't see us mocking it up. Y'all won't see none of that in any video. I kept it out of the video and everything, guys. But in the next video on this, the next part, will be us welding it up, getting aftermarket parts for it, and doing all that, guys. I'm so proud that we made all this done. I got all this done. There's that. You know, I worked on this. These are not, I got to get these little rings off right here. Let me focus y'all in real quick. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Let me focus y'all. I can't get them rings off for some reason. So, yeah. Thank y'all for watching. Now the video's officially over. Just like that, guys, go ahead and this video. I hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to go get affiliated links in the description. I got a merch link, and I got a link to donate to the channel. If you want to donate, go click that PayPal link. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if we're out of the house, I got a new video here. See y'all next one, guys. Adios, amigos. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Adios, amigos. Redneck guy, get out. Yee yee.